How to copy new Turbo 880 remote control. Take the new and existing remote control. First, hold this blue button on new remote control until the LED stops blinking. Place the existing remote on top like this. Do not release it yet. Next, press this blue button on existing remote for few seconds, new remote light will blinking then success. Copy process is done. Place both remote closely to the panel, press any button to test the functions. If the LED here lights up accordingly to both remotes, means it is successful.